What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family. What's on my YouTube channel? The Hussle Family. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people making these fake pages, scamming people, acting like me. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything, so let's get that thing started. So today, I'm dropping real gems. I'm going to give y'all a place where you can get $35,000 in small business loans. You got to start up business, you got a new business, and you're just starting up and it's established. Check them out. All right, we're going to be talking about Rock Ridge. They're giving out $50,000, but we're gonna talk about only $35,000 because, like I said, anything over $50,000, they're gonna be wanting more documents. They're gonna be wanting more information that I know a lot of people don't have. Right. So today we're gonna be talking about Rock Ridge loans. They're giving out high limit startup small business loans to people. As long as you got your documents in order, as long as you got your paperwork in order, as long as you got your paper trail in order, you should be good to go to getting approved for this loan. All right. So before we get into talking about Rock Ridge loans, we're gonna get into talking about how you can get approved and how you're supposed to set up your business and your personal and business credit so you can get approved. All right. So everybody knows, because I've been talking about it for the past 500 videos, you gotta have, in order to start getting major funding on your business side, you want to get your personal credit together first, because you're going to use your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business credit. All right. So like I've been telling you guys, first steps first, get your personal credit together so you can get your Experian account, because I know a lot of people really don't know where to go to find their credit score, really don't know where to get that accurate free credit score. What's not free, you're going to have to pay. You're subject to one free credit score each year. Other sites you got to pay. All right. So if you want to monitor your credit on a daily basis, monthly basis, all day, every day, go sign up for Experian.com. It's like $24.99 a month to get an account. You can see all three of your FICOs. You can see your debt. You can see everything that's going on your credit. You can freeze your credit report, everything on there, right? So once you get your FICO, hold on, let me shut this window. Still loud. Once you get your FICO, once you got your credit score, once you know what's going on, okay, you're going to make sure everything is up to date on your information. So you're going to make sure your information, your name is up to date, your email, your number, all that good stuff on your FICO, on your credit report, all right? Then you're going to see all your collections, all your late payments, all your inquiries, all that. You're going to see all your debt, all that. Once you see what's going on, you got to start making good decisions. You got to start making these important decisions. And the important decisions is, okay, you got to start cleaning your credit. You got to start getting your credit report, your credit profile in a good standing. You got to make it look good, so when you go apply for these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, and they go check and look at it, they're going to see, okay, he has $80,000 in debt. He has 3 credit cards. She has an auto loan out for $50,000, a installment loan out for $20,000. They haven't missed any payments, so their payment history is exceptional for everything. Not too many, no late payments, inquiries was low, no evictions, no bankruptcies, right? So boom, they're gonna check all that. They're not just gonna see, okay, credit score 750 or credit score 500. Cool, boom, that's all we need. No, they're gonna check and see why it's going on, what's going on, and make sure that you're gonna be able to pay back this loan. If you got any missed payments or late payments, then they're gonna see that, and it's gonna play in the part of you getting that loan, because now they're gonna feel like, okay, are you going to have a missed payment with paying back our loan, paying back us this money, because they make their monies off the APRs, all right? So boom, once you see all the collections, all the inquiries, everything that's on your credit report, you want to clean it up. If you don't have credit, you don't have to worry about cleaning up your credit, because you really don't have anything being reported on your credit report as there is, and that's why you don't really have any credit, because you haven't been generating anything. But for the people who has been generating things like student loans, car loans, and just all type of bills, bankruptcies, evictions, all that type of stuff on your credit report, you want to clean it. So you're going to get your credit report. You're going to get those codes that I gave you in previous videos for the late payments, bankruptcies, and evictions, to get those off your credit. You're going to get those codes that I gave you in previous videos to get the increase off your credit. So once you got those, then you're going to get the collections off your credit report, right? So you're going to see your collections. You're going to go to Experian freeze, Equifax freeze, and TransUnion freeze. You're going to freeze all three of your credit profiles. Once you do that, you're going to go back to collections, and you're going to start disputing. You can dispute everything that's on there, but the ones that's going to have a better chance of falling off is the ones that's 7 years or older, because those are the ones that's classified as being expired on your credit report. All right, so boom, once you start seeing drop-offs, then that's when you need to start getting those trade lines to rebuild your credit back up. And it's good debt and it's bad debt. Good debt is the debt that you have that you're paying off on your credit report, that you're making payments on time each month. Bad debt is the debt that you got to pay back, that you're not making payments on time each month, that's delinquent, point blank period. All right, so if you got good debt on your credit, it's going to build your credit. If you got bad debt on your credit, it's gonna mess up your credit. So you want to have a good DTI. You want to make sure all this debt, and you want to put the right debt on your credit. So like I said, you're supposed to have at least 5 credit cards on your credit profile. So if you go to Trade Line Supply and you get up to 5 credit limit credit cards on your credit profile, that's excellent. But you need to make sure you add them all at the right time, because if you add them all at the wrong time, you might see a negative impact on your credit. So you want to make sure you get at least 3 to 5 trade lines from Trade Line Supply. Those are AU accounts, bank credit cards with high limits, all right, that people are letting you piggyback off their account to leverage it on your credit report. Also, go to creditstrong.com. They'll let you get installment loans, revolving lines of credit that can make the credit mix on your credit profile look better. All right, so you can get up to $42,500 through Credit Strong. All right, for the personal side. Once you got all that, and at the same time that you're doing all that, make sure that you got your Make sure that you got your business. Make sure you got your LLC. Make sure you got your EIN number. Make sure you got your website. Make sure you got your number. Make sure your number is registered with your 401 National Directory. Make sure you got your Dun & Bradstreet. Make sure you got your Paydex score. Make sure you got your PayNet score. Make sure you got your business Equifax. Make sure you got all that, because that's going to be what's going to be determined to get your business funding. I know I just said a lot, but it's not really a lot. It's very easy. It's very simple. It's minor steps that you can take to get your business organized and registered and ready to go to get these major loans. All right, so you got your personal credit together. Now you started your LLC, you got your EIN number, you got it registered, you got your Dun & Bradstreet, your Paydex, your PayNet, all that. Now you're ready to go. Now you're ready to add net 30s. Now, just because you started your business and got a decent personal credit score doesn't mean you're ready to go start getting these business loans. You got to get some type of funding, some type of credit on your business credit side. So you're going to go start getting net 30s. Now, if you got at least $1,000 to $2,000, go get as many net 30 accounts as you can to pay off in 30 days. Because the more accounts that you got, the more debt that you have on your credit report, and you pay it off fast, it's going to give you more Paydex points on your credit, your personal business credit. So get as many net 30 accounts as you can, which means you got 30 days to pay off these accounts, and it will be reported to your business credit, and it'll look good, right? So once you pay off those net 30s in a month, then you want to go apply for these for this loan right here, Rock Ridge. They're giving out the $50,000, but $35,000 is the limit where you can get without having to have a major problem, documents and all that type of stuff like that. All right, so right now we're gonna check out Rock Ridge loans. They're giving out $35,000 and see where you can get your small business loan funded today. All right, so let's check them out. Rock Ridge. All right, so Rock Ridge, your trusted partner for small business financing. Our 3-step process, simply small business funding. All right, so fill out our online application form. Our online application is free, easy to use, and won't affect your credit score. Simply provide us with basic information about your business, such as your industry, your revenue, and funding needs. All right, so the industry is what business, like what industry are you in? You in production? Are you in automotive? Are you in, like, what industry are you in? Right, so that plays a major part of how much you get funded too. will receive your application. Our team will review it carefully and contact you to discuss your options. We understand that every business is unique and will work with you to find the right financing solution for your needs. All right. Receive loan offers from our partners and fund your business. We'll connect you with our trusted partners who offer a range of loan products. From there, you can compare offers and choose the best financing option for your business. All right, so putting your business first. All right, who we are. So basically, Rock Ridge is a small business financing platform that provides customized financing solutions to help small businesses grow and thrive. We understand the unique challenges faced by small businesses and work closely with our clients to provide the best financing options to meet your needs. Our mission: to empower small businesses by providing easy access to flexible and affordable financing solutions. All right, so 27 years plus in experience. So why choose Rock Ridge for your financing needs? Quick funding. We work hard to speed up the application process for you so you can quickly receive the working capital you need to seize opportunities and grow your business. All right, scalable financing solutions. We offer tailor-made financing solutions for businesses all sizes. With our single scalable solution, you can focus on achieving your goals while working with just one provider. Low credit requirements. All right, so we offer financing solutions with low credit requirements so you can still access the capital you need to grow your business even if your credit score isn't perfect. All right, so y'all see that right there. Let's read that one more time. So y'all be like, man, y'all be saying it because a lot of people be making videos on YouTube talking about bad credit this, low credit this, poor credit that. But no, this is coming straight from the website itself. Low credit requirements. We offer financing solutions with low credit requirements so you can still access the capital you need to grow your business, even if your credit score isn't perfect. All right. So find the perfect loan for your business unique needs. So business line of credit, access cash when you need it. With our business line of credit, our flexible financing options allow you to draw from your credit line as often as you need without the hassle or traditional loans. Business term loans, whether you want to expand your business, purchase new equipment, or increase your inventory, our business term loans provide the funding you need with flexible repayment terms. All right, so invoice financing, get paid now instead of waiting for invoices to be paid. Our invoice financing solution provides the cash flow you need to keep your business moving forward. SBA loans, they got equipment financing, assets-based loans. Y'all know what that is, right? So that's what they offer. They got all different type of stuff. They got the $35,000. They're giving out $35,000. So make sure you go check them out. Make sure you go see what you can get. Make sure your business is in order. Make sure your paperwork is in order. And I guarantee you're going to get something, all right? So without further ado, let's talk about Rock Ridge loans. All right, do you guys got it? Rock Ridge loan. They're giving up to $50,000, but you'll have a better chance of getting $35,000 with less documents. And they're giving out those to people with bad credit. Yes, poor credit. Don't worry about if your credit is poor. Don't worry about if your credit is bad. Just have the right documents. Just have the right information that you need, and you will have a better chance of getting approved for that loan. All right, so make sure you go check out Rock Ridge loans. Go get approved. Get y'all paperwork in order, and go get you some money. All right. Excuse me. Woo. Shout out to everybody, man, that's been watching the videos, that's been tapping in, my new subscribers, old subscribers, new fans, old fans, all my supporters, new supporters, old supporters. Shout out to y'all, man, because we're going to keep this ball rolling. We're going to keep the show going. Anybody out there that want credit lessons, if you want me to show you how to clean your credit and build your credit, it's going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500 because I got to get certain things, templates, and do this and do that. So it starts at $1,500. You want me to show you how to do it, clean your credit, build your credit, it's going to be $600. Also, make sure you're getting your unlimited gems. FaceTime 101s, $1,200, all right? Unlimited gems is unlimited gems. Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all already know what I'm teaching. Y'all already know what I'm preaching. Y'all already know what I'm showing y'all. CPNs, clean, build your credit, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, every documents, all that, all right? How to really run up a bag. So make sure y'all getting y'all limited gems, FaceTime 101s, $1,200, Cash App or Walmart to Walmart payment. Also, make sure y'all come to get y'all mentorship. It's everything the limited gems come with. Plus, we're going to make YouTube channels together. We're going to make money together. We're going to make a bag together. If we make 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. If you make 5, I get 2,500, you get 2,500, whatever's clever, right? So we're going to really make up a bag, run up a bag. I'm going to show you how to make passive income. We're going to make YouTube channels together. Really get that passive income. So make sure you tap it in. I'm going to show you how to do it so you can do it yourself. Also, make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person limited gyms. I'm in Vade, Miami, Florida, South Beach. Tap in, 10 seats available, $3,500, $500 deposit, $3,000. The rest of the money when we meet in person. All right, so meet me in Miami, Florida on South Beach, May 26th through the 29th. I will be there. Tap in. Let's get this money. Let's get these gyms. Let's win. And you will also have an opportunity to be part of my skits, blogs, music videos, interviews, all type of stuff, right? So we working. So make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour, Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th. Invade Memorial Day weekend. Tap in, 10 seats available, $3,500. All right, and still looking for people for the production company. I'm still looking for actors, rappers, models, cameraman, producers, content creators for the production company. All right, so anybody is ready to elevate, get their music out there, get their face out there. Music reviews is $200. You trying to get your chain, you trying to get your watch, you trying to come make this money with this music business. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. Any beautiful ladies out there, you ready to elevate, you ready to get in more videos, you ready to get more on the scene, you ready to get more in front of the camera, you ready to be really elevate and grow, build you a business, build your brand, build yourself up. Tap in. You got a bad attitude? Don't tap in. I need people who got good attitudes, a good head on their shoulder. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't have time for chicks with bad attitudes. I don't have time for women who think they better than what they are. I don't have time for none of that. Make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you're ready to work. Make sure you're willing to learn and help me guide you down the right lane, because I know a little bit about a lot, clearly. So if you knew better, you'll do better. Point blank, period. Ain't nothing for me to say. If you got all these dudes and why they ain't doing nothing for you, like, make it make sense to me. That's all I'm saying. So you ready to win? You ready to get a bag? Tap in. Let's win. Teamwork make the dream work. All right. Any cameraman, videographers in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or could travel, tap in with me. Let's win. Content equals views. Views equals money. Easy as that. The more content we produce, the more views we'll make, the more money we'll get paid. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gyms. Make sure y'all checking out Rock Ridge Loans. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all go run up the followers on my main IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all follow me on all my YouTube channels, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and Turn Motivation in a Million, because you never know what channel I'm going to drop the raffle video on to win you some Jordans, free lessons, free merch, Air Force Ones, Dunks. I'm giving out a big bag, some big stuff. So make sure y'all tapping in, staying focused. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Telegram, because I do all my business on there on my Telegram, my IG. You want to get anything, tap in on the Telegram. All right, anybody out there that got 1K, want to make 11.5, tap in with me. Don't miss out on your 10K. Anybody out there with $600 and want to make $6,500, tap in with me. Don't miss out on your $6,500. And y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.